Reading date from a data frame based on conditions in a different data frame. I have two data frames. I need to read in values from one data frame based on values from another. Words. Sentences. The desired output is into a text file. However, I can't get past this step. I have tried running the following code. For X in sentences, print words no. Between sentences start, sentences stop, inclusive equals true. But M returned with this error.
One way to solve this.
Set no as the index for words and then iterate over sentences using a list comprehension. Or index agnostic. Saving to a file should be straightforward from here.
Vielen Dank, Peace, subscribing.